Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy M21. So there are two ways for, let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons, with the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons for short for the same time and you will have a screenshot. And directly after you can have here a preview, you can edit it directly or share it directly. One more time, the power button and the volume down button for the same time, hold it for short and you can edit directly after. If you tap here on that symbol, then you can crop a part here if you want to have just a picture from a website or something like this, or another part, and you can also write something inside if you want, and after you can share it directly maybe on WhatsApp or save it directly, then it's part of the gallery. There's another point, as I said, how to take a screenshot. If you're using your palm, or better the edge of your palm, if you swipe it across the screen, one more time, swipe it across the screen and you will have a screenshot as well. As you can see, it's not so easy at the beginning. One more time, the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you will have a screenshot as well. And also you can edit it directly and share it and so on and so on. Okay, as I said, after you can find it at the gallery. Here they are, and these are my screenshots. As you can see, I had already some twice. And at the category albums, what is very nice, it has its own category named screenshots. So they will see all your screenshots you did on your phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up because this would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.